Top 10 apps for long-distance relationships for 2025. Staying connected in a long-distance relationship can feel challenging with time zones, communication gaps, and loneliness. But don't worry, because we've rounded up the top 10 apps for long-distance relationships to help bridge the miles and keep love alive. Be sure to watch the whole video, because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10 Between is a private app for couples that allows you to share messages, photos, and even memories in a personal space. It's like your own private social media account just for two. 9 Rave lets you and your partner watch movies, shows, or YouTube videos together in real-time, sync up, chat, and enjoy your favorite content no matter how far apart you are. 8 Love Nudge helps you and your partner express love in ways that matter most by connecting to your love languages, set relationship goals, and track progress to keep the bond strong. 7 Agape sends daily personalized questions for couples to spark meaningful conversations. This app helps deepen emotional intimacy even when you're miles apart. 6 TouchNote makes sending physical postcards and personalized gifts easy even if you're in different countries. Add a personal touch to your love life with real tangible keepsakes. 5 Relish is like having a relationship coach in your pocket. It offers personalized advice, activity, and tips to strengthen your connection over the distance. 4 iPassion turns long-distance intimacy into a fun and interactive game. Answer questions about your preferences and learn more about each other in a playful way. 3 PathShare is perfect for those times when you're worried about each other's safety. Share your location with your partner temporarily to add a sense of security and connection. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now let's continue. 2 Happy Couple turns relationship building into a quiz game. It helps uncover fun facts about each other and sparks deeper conversations. 1 Couple Game is a fun app to test how well you know each other with different categories and challenges. It's a playful way to bond over the distance. Bonus 1 Haytel turns your phone into a walkie-talkie for instant voice messages. It's fast, fun, and feels like you're speaking directly to each other. Cozy is a shared calendar and to-do list app designed for couples. Plan dates, set reminders, and manage your lives together, even when apart. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.